Hello dear friends, welcome to the NurseQueen YouTube channel. Please share this video to your friends. If you like this video, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Thank you.
Friends, today we can discuss the third part of ECG technician question paper for nursing examinations and ECG technician examination also. Let us start from 71. Point where bronchial enters lung is. Correct answer is hilum. This is not S, this is M. Hilum, Hilum. Point where bronchial enters lung is hilum. Hilum, a concave region where blood vessel, lymphatic vessels and nerves also enter the lungs. Hilum, a concave region where blood vessels, lymphatic vessels and nerves also enter the lungs. Next question, oxygen is carried by. Correct answer is erythrocytes. Oxygen is carried by erythrocytes. Erythrocytes other name is red blood cells. Erythrocytes, red blood cells. Leukocytes means WBC, white blood cells. That is leukocytes. Leukocytes, WBC, white blood cells. Next question, which of the following is the thinnest blood vessel? Correct answer is capillary. Capillary is the thinnest blood vessel. Next question, what is the study of blood vessels called? Correct answer is angiology. The study of blood vessels is called angiology. Electrophysiology means study the electrical properties of biological cells and tissues. Electrophysiology means it is a study of electrical properties and biological cells and tissues. Pulmonology is the study of the disorder of respiratory system. Pulmonology is the study of disorder of respiratory system. Cardiology means study of disorder of heart. So angiology is the study of blood vessels. Next question, what is the name of serous membrane that covers thoracic cavity? Correct answer is pleura. Pleura is the name of serous membrane that covers thoracic cavity. Next question, this collects acoustic sounds and funnels it to the eardrum. Correct answer is outer ear. Outer ear collects acoustic sounds and funnels to the eardrum. Which of the following testing methods uses electrodes attached to the head to test the integrity of the auditory pathway? Correct answer is auditory evoked potentials. Which of the following testing methods uses electrodes attached to the head to test the integrity of auditory pathway? Auditory evoked potentials. Next question, a patient with dash hearing loss is a candidate for cochlear implant. Correct answer is profound hearing loss. A patient with profound hearing loss is a candidate for cochlear implant. Profound means deep hearing loss. Next question, which of the following membrane is responsible for the protection of heart? Correct answer is pericardium. Pericardium is the membrane responsible for protection of heart because pericardium is the outer layer, protects heart, keep in place. So if there is any immediate change of position, pericardium will protect the heart. Myocardium is middle layer responsible for heart contraction, muscles contraction. Responsible for myocardium, that is heart muscles contraction. Endocardium is the inner layer. Next question, ECG records electrical changes in which of the following layers of the heart? Mark the correct option. Myocardium. This question is specially for ECG technician question. Some questions are like this, especially for them only, that this is one type of question. ECG records electrical changes in which of the following layers of the heart? Mark the correct option, myocardium. Anyway, you study. Dash is called a suicidal bag in the cells. Correct answer is lysosomes. Lysosomes is called as a suicidal bag in the cell. This we are studying in first year anatomy. First topic, this lysosome is called a suicidal bag in the cell because they contain lytic enzyme, spelling LYTIC, lytic enzymes capable of digesting cells. So cells die. Why it is called a suicidal bag? Because they contain lytic enzymes capable of digesting cells. So our own cells will digest. So cell will die. Next question, endoplasmic reticulum which contains ribosomes is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum which contains ribosome is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Anyway, I am just reading next 10 questions coming from basic anatomy and physiology. You may get questions from this portion, especially junior public health nurses. Next question, study about function of the body is called as physiology. Study about the function of the body is called as physiology. Study of cells, that is cytology. Study of human mind, psychology. Next question, transistor. Some physics questions are there. We can skip that questions. 84, 85, 86 questions are came from physics. We don't want that. We can start from 87. What does a cycle of CPR consist of? CPR means cardiopulmonary resuscitation. 30 chest compression and 2 rescue breath. An adult CPR, that is 30 chest compression and 2 rescue breath. In pediatric, 15:2. Pediatric chest compression is 15:2. What is the normal value of PR interval? Correct answer is 0.12 to 0.2 seconds. 0.12 to 0.2 is the normal value of PR interval. Next question, ATP stands for? They are asking the full form. Correct answer is, you may have confusion because all the options are same only. Correct answer is adenosine triphosphate. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Next question, dash is the largest bone in human body. Correct answer is femur. Femur is the largest bone in human body. Bone in our thigh. Next question, the electrical activation of a cell is called? This question and options are wrong, so we can skip this question. Next question, Dash is a condition wherein the ductus arteriosus fails to close after birth. Correct answer is patent ductus arteriosus, PDA. Is a condition, patent ductus arteriosus is a condition wherein the ductus arteriosus fails to close after birth. Next question, the transducers which do not require any power device for their operation. Correct answer is active transducer. Active transducer which do not require any power device for their operation. Next question, dash electrodes avoids any direct contact of the metal with the skin to avoid movement artifact. Correct answer is floating type surface electrode. This question specially for ECG technician. Next question, the process of adding some external substance into the semiconductor material to increase the conductivity is called doping. The process of adding some external substance to the semiconductor material to increase the conductivity is called doping. Next question, a semiconductor in an extremely poor form is known as intrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor is an extremely pure form of semiconductor. Next question, dash is a device used for correcting the fibrillation of cardiac muscles. You all know that. Correct answer is defibrillator. Defibrillator is a device used for correcting the fibrillation of cardiac muscles. Next question, dash is a visible radiation of light which occurs while illuminating the tympanic membrane. Correct answer is cone of light. Cone of light is a visible radiation of light which occurs while illuminating the tympanic membrane. Next question, dash is the unit for frequency. Correct answer is hertz. Hertz is the unit for frequency. So that's all for ECG technician third video. We completed the ECG technician question paper. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Please like and share this video to your friends. Thank you.